The last style of chip and dip that I'm going to show you is with a raised bowl that's not attached but that sits very nicely in the centerpiece. We start by opening all the way down to the bat head. Push down with your left forefinger and then pull towards yourself. Make it about 4 inches, the hole at the bottom. Clean off the bat head with your rib. Now we're going to open again almost by pushing down here. And this time we want to leave a floor. Pulling out again slowly. Use your right hand to compress the clay to keep it centered. Check your depth. And once you've done that, you just want to compress the floor. Again, this might take off some clay. That's perfectly fine.